Why are some real estate agents still spending hours doing work that technology could help them complete in minutes? Real estate will always be a relationship business. Clients still want trust, communication, guidance, and a real person helping them make important decisions. But that does not mean every part of your business needs to be done manually. The right technology should not replace the human side of real estate. It should create more time for it. Technology can help agents market more consistently, organize their contacts, improve follow-up, manage appointments, create content, and keep important tasks from falling through the cracks. That matters because one of the biggest challenges agents face is not always a lack of effort. Sometimes too much of their time is being spent on repetitive tasks instead of high-value activities. The goal is not to use every new tool that becomes available. More technology does not automatically mean a better business. In fact, too many tools can create more confusion. The goal is to choose technology that supports the way you work and helps you become more consistent. A good system should make it easier to follow up with clients, stay visible in your market, communicate clearly, and protect your time. Technology can also help agents provide a stronger client experience. Automated reminders can help keep clients informed. Digital tools can make documents and communication easier to manage. Marketing platforms can help agents stay connected with their audience between transactions. But technology is only effective when there is a clear strategy behind it. A tool cannot replace discipline. It cannot replace conversations. It cannot replace strong service. It can, however, help you do those things more efficiently and consistently. At EXIT Realty Community, we believe agents should have access to practical technology, training, and support that helps them build a more organized and sustainable real estate business. If you are a real estate agent in London, Ontario, and you want to explore how better systems and support could strengthen your business, reach out. Let's book a call and have an honest conversation about where you want your real estate career to go.